Hi, I'm Eleanor Appleton from Flaxmans, and welcome to our unique Insurance in Practice library. Here at Flaxmans, our advocates have established reputations within the insurance industry as experts at resolving complex and disputed insurance claims. Many also serve as experts to the court. That collective experience and expertise has been captured in the many booklets, fact sheets, YouTube videos, and webinars that have been produced over the last 25 years in support and promotion of professionalism within the industry and good insurance practice. The library is curated from a wide variety of existing Flaxmans publications, reflecting prevailing principles and practices in insurance, spanning the first quarter of the 21st century, and reflecting actual insurance claims and events. The library will, as it continues to develop, act as a primary repository of valuable information and insights into the mysterious and sometimes intimidating world of insurance. Well, first and foremost, the library is free for you to browse and study. We do, however, just to cover some cost, charge a small fee if you would like to keep a copy of anything you read. When you press the Browse Here button, it will take you through to the library index, where you can filter via category, such as fact sheets to webinars, case studies to specific guides to industry practice, and much more. The index of categories, in combination with our consumer glossary of terms, will direct you to the most relevant publication, or browse the items within each category. If you are looking for something specific, use our comprehensive search facility to help you find what you are looking for. Here is an example. Let's say you are looking for statement of facts. Simply pop statement of fact within the search facility and several options will come up. Then click on the option that you want to explore, then onto the document that you're interested in reading. This will open up and you can read it at your leisure. If you are interested in purchasing the document, follow the links to the payment page. You will then automatically be able to download the PDF onto your computer. Please remember, our materials should not be reproduced in any form or for any purpose without the permission of Flaxmans. So, whether you're a consumer, a customer, a client, a professional advisor, or an insurance practitioner, even a student, the Flaxmans Library could act as a rich vein of information, explanation, and warnings in your quest to discover knowledge and information about insurance. We believe that it is a resource that reflects both the good and the bad practices that have most recently influenced the modern insurance industry. Finally, we will continue to expand the library to include references of valuable external sources of information and guidance that benefit the users of insurance who rely on its security and integrity.